everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. Today we're going to learn how to crochet this 5-petal flower. For this tutorial I'm using crochet hook 3 millimeters. You will also need a yarn needle. For this project I'm using 4-ply cotton yarn. So let's get started. We begin with a slip knot. Now once you have your slip knot, you need to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you need to work a slip stitch into the first chain right here. You work a slip stitch and you form a circle. We're going to work the petals in the circle. Now you can hold your loose end while working the petals so that when you pull it at the end you will get a closed flower. Now we'll start working the petals. You chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. In the circle you work 1 double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and now you work a slip stitch in the circle. Now we've worked our first petal. Now again chain 3, 1 double crochet in the circle, chain 3, you work a slip stitch in the circle. Now we've completed the next petal. Again chain 3, 1 double crochet in the circle, chain 3, you work a slip stitch in the circle. That's the third petal. Now the next one, chain 3, 1 double crochet in the circle, chain 3, a slip stitch in the circle. We have 4 petals. We're working the last one now. Chain 3, 1 double crochet in the circle, chain 3, a slip stitch in the circle. And now you chain 1 and cut your yarn. Now you have your 5 petals. You need to pull this loose end to close the circle as much as you can, and you need to work in these loose ends. Now we're going to work the center part of the flower. I've taken yellow yarn in the yarn needle. So what you need to do is, where you have your double crochet in each petal, you need to go into the stitch right here, like this, and you insert the needle into the center. You're done with one. Now the next petal, in the double crochet stitch, two, the next one, 3, this is 4, and the next one 5. And now I'm going to tie it up behind and work the loose ends. We've completed making the 5-petal flower. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.